Yeah guys, we're going to POEA with moms and dads. This is the yearly routine of an OFW, right dad?
Yes, we're going to OEC.
OEC, what's that for?
Overseas Employment Certificate.
Oh, and the SSS.
Yes.
And do we have pag-ibig?
Yes, 100. That's compulsory.
Pag-ibig. Bye, Chi. Chi.
Wala na akong magandang isuot.
Yeah, boy. Maandak na kami.
Yes.
Hi, guys. We're already here at Robinson's Galleria. And this is the EDSA Shrine. Yeah, boy. Monopod, tripod, lazy pod, happy pod. Yeah. EDSA Shrine, guys. To whom it may concern. Yeah, with moms and dads. Hi guys, we're currently here at POEA filling up some forms and waiting for the line. We are 3-4 and it's already 3-1-87. Yeah, we're just here eating meat. Lumpiang Sariwa.
This is Lumpiang Sariwa. We are here at the POEA Cafeteria.
Yeah. Hi guys. Dahil nagugutom pa daw si Moms, gusto daw niya na nachos. And in-order ko yung party size kasi kala ko maliliit lang yung serving. Tada!
Paano natin kukutsarahin?
Ako ba? Nachos nga eh. Ganun-ganun lang yan. Kulang na lang ng Red Horse. Saka... ano na sa'yo? T-Ice. Kain guys. Nachos oh. Boom! Boom! Ano masasabi mo, Mi? Sarap no? For only 100 pesos.
Kain tayo.
Kain.
Sarap.
Hey boy! Boss! Hi guys, we're back here inside. And ang tagal pa.
32.80 pala.
3282 pa lang. Kami is 34101. So yeah, chill mode. Yeah.
You like peanut?
Peanut. Yeah, natapos na kami.
Kalahati lang nga pinayarin niya.
Nakatulog na ako eh. 2:30 na. 2:30 kami natapos. Punta kami sa Ayala ngayon.
If you want peanut.
Si Daddy din nakatulog. Ang init pa naman din doon sa loob. Doon sa nung natulog ako, ang init doon sa pwesto namin. Nakantok ako eh. Mami, tagal din ng antay. Mami. Antok. So yeah guys, we're here at Makati. We're going to Greenville and SM. So yeah, see you guys. Boom. Boom. Sabi, naghanap kami ng kainan ngayon. Yeah. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami kakain eh. Masarap pa dito sa Kiss, no? Tapos may pizza warehouse din eh. Tayo mga masarap yung sisig nila oh. Sarap. Dito tayo. Hi guys, we're looking for Outback restaurant. Yeah, with moms and dads once again. And we're here at Glorieta. Yeah boy. Yeah boy, nagtanong na din kami sa wakas kasi paikot-ikot kami. Hindi namin mahanap yung Outback. So nandito daw siya sa labas.
Kasi kanina po sabi magtanong doon.
Yeah, that's Outback.
Yeah, there's the Outback restaurant out there. Oh yeah. Walking around Glorieta. Yeah. Outback Steakhouse. Let's go inside. Outback. Hi, good afternoon. Yeah. So we're here at Outback. And yes, perfect combination. Signature Steaks Outback Special.
Hindi ko makita yan.
Special bread.
Special bread.
Special bread. This is free actually.
Yeah. Actually, we have a happy 15 years Outback Special na wings. We didn't know that that's the password. And the Miss Anne, the waitress, give us a chance because it's our first time. So they give us the 15 pesos chicken wings. Yeah. Guys, ito lang yung in-order namin. Kain na. Actually, matagal ko nang gusto kumain dito sa Outback because yung pinapanood kong vlogger, si Roman Atwood, yung family niya lagi sila nagde-date sa Outback ng asawa niya. So, yun. At least makakatikim na din ako ng Outback. Wala kasing Outback sa Saudi. Ikaw din, first time. First time.
Yes, this is the first time. We have only steakhouse in Saudi.
Yeah. Same price, steakhouse, 1,000 plus sa steak. Same lang, same. So, yeah. Wow, overload. This is the salad.
Chicken salad.
And then pasta. And this is the Outback Special. And this is the 15 pesos for the 15 years. Happy 15 years Outback. So yeah, let's eat, guys.
Yeah, you want chicken, bro?
Yeah, chicken, very nice.
Very delicious.
Very delicious. Guys, konti na lang. Grabe, busog na busog. Oh, busog na. Ay, busog na. Pero konti na lang naman eh. Kaya pwede na sa edit. Yeah. Ang babait ng mga crew nila dito.
Also the manager.
Nilapitan kami ng manager, kinakamusta kami kung maganda daw. And yun nga, alam nila na first time nga namin kumain dito. So yeah, ayos. Kasi si Mami, ayaw niya daw netong hindi niya type yung steak sauce. So binigyan siya ng manager ng gravy, freshly made gravy.
Eri, kunin mo Yan, tingnan natin dito. Sarap.
Sarap.
Ayan, ayan.
Sarap ang gravy niya.
Diba,
Sarap ang
masa?
gravy. The best. Sarap ni.
Yes.
Yay, boss! Yung spaghetti ko konti, pina-take out na namin kasi grabe. Heavy. Oh, narinig nyo ba yung digal ni Dads?
Heavy. Super.
Super busog. Pero super sulit. Sarap. So yeah, we're done. Outback. Solved na solved. And with moms, parang nagda-date lang. Picture-picture. Picture-picture silang dalawa eh. Upload. Sabi guys, tinan nyo yung pila. Pila ng Pasita. Hirap na pala sumakay ngayon dito. Wala na kasing bus dun sa may tapat ng SM. Oh yeah, ayan, buti may dumating na FX.
Pasya na lang si Daddy.
Ayan, upo ka daw muna.
Upo na lang Daddy. Si Kuya na lang pipi.
Nawakan mo itong take.
Yeah, boy, we're home. It's already 7.
Gabriel, nandito na
And
yung
yeah.
susi ko.
We just
Daddy, nandito
take
sa
out
taas yung
some
susi.
Jollibee for the kids. Why?
Oh, very hot talaga ngayon.
Yeah, I
Very
know.
traffic in the Santa Rosa. It's so
Yeah.
stressful here.
Ay,
Oh my gosh.
Oh my golly.
Uy, dahil tissue.
Yeah, oh my golly.
Ah!
Oh my golly, bye. So yeah, just take a rest. Hey, what's up? How's the movie?
Great.
Great.
Must watch.
Why did you watch alone?
Biglaan naman.
Who's with you?
Nothing, just me and the people in the...
I'll also watch it tomorrow. Joke.